Hello and welcome to the newest hotel here at Disneyland Resort. Not technically new completely, but it's been refurbished completely. The rooms are massively upgraded. I'm not even going to beat around the bush and hype that up. The rooms are just completely different. Anyway, Pixar Place Hotel, which replaces the Paradise Pier Hotel, which replaced the Disney's Pacific Hotel, which replaced a Japanese hotel. I can't remember the name of. But anyway, we're going to walk you through the Pixar Place Hotel standard room, show you around, and give you a little review. Okay, here we are in the front hallway, and we'll just go straight into the room. Again, this is a standard room with a king-size bed and a pull-out sofa bed. There's a look at the bed and that really nice Pixar ball pillow. Is the Pixar ball a thing that people know? Do people know that the ball represents Pixar? I don't know. Is it as famous as the Luxo Junior lamp? Hey, speaking of the Luxo Junior lamp, it's over here on the desk. Look at that. And it's all posable and everything, just like the real thing, the animated thing. And speaking of the desk, plenty of room to work on that thing. It's so weird to bring up working in a place where most people are going to vacation, but I work from home, so I end up working at hotel desks a lot. So I like that there's a place to actually sit with an actual chair. A lot of hotels now don't have backs on the chairs at their desk area. Really weird. Anyway, that's a tangent. Big drawers for, where's the safe? For storing luggage. And the color in here is so much better than the old Pixar Pier Hotel, which was a lot of tan and beige and wood tones. There's still wood tones, but they look so much better with the warmer colors on the walls, like that blue, and the yellow over here. Just really nice colors. There's a lot of Pixar art, of course, and it looks nice, I gotta say. They picked some really nice pieces to display in here. Over here on this wall, there's some of the characters. A little lamp. A lot of room in this area to place luggage, suitcases, bags, and whatever else. You got this table right here with another little table, which you would move out of the way for the pull-out sofa bed. But I do like how there's a ton of room here when you have it put in. But even if you took it out, it would only go out to about right here, and you would still have all this space. I mean, you'd have to shove the table in the corner, but still, that's a good amount of room. These rooms are bigger than the Disneyland Hotel standard rooms, not the villas, but the standard rooms. Plenty of room under the bed for also luggage storage and whatnot. That's just such a nice modern feature of hotel rooms. That was not a thing when I was growing up. Bedside tables. On this side, we got the phone and the paper pad and everything. Little branded pen right there. And you got the light controls. You have another little reading light right here. There you go. A lot of plugs. Got 4 plugs on this side. USB-C, USB Type A, and regular outlets. And then on this side, you got an alarm clock with wireless charging. And then the same deal. 4 more outlets and all the lighting control. You can control how bright you want the lights as well. But then you can also just shut them on and off. Okay. This right here, we have the Keurig coffee maker. ice bucket. We got some cups. There's the fridge. People always ask, is there a freezer? No, there's no freezer. Sorry, my stuff is already in there. My lunch is in there. K-cups and to-go coffee cups, to-go coffee lids, branded condiment kits. Can you believe it? I really wonder how long those will last when they'll just switch to generic ones, but wow. In this one, we have some glass coffee mugs and more cups. And look at those coasters, those are really nice. And in this one, I believe there's nothing, right, nothing. Taking a look at the closet. A lot of room, my bags are in there. A lot of room to, a lot of hangers too. A lot of room to store things. Then down there you got the extra pillow and blanket. Ironing board with iron. Pretty nice. I just wanted to point this out right here too. It's really cute. Oh, before I go into the bathroom, this slides out of the way to reveal a full-length mirror. A lot of people want full-length mirrors in their hotel rooms, and there it is. Okay, now it's time to go into the bathroom, and I will switch to a wide-angle lens. All right, here in the bathroom. Now, first thing, and I'm so big on this, especially when traveling with multiple people, ton of counter space, plenty of room to store things, both on top and on the bottom. Love that. Got the hairdryer down there too, ladies, or dudes with long hair. Tissues. Look at that, Pixar Place Hotel branded shower cap. Still got the H2O lotion in there. Luxo Junior lamp. And here is the shower, which is nice and big. You can fit a couple people in there if you're into that sort of thing. Wrong side. There we go. We got the adjustable shower head. Got a light in there. And the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the walls. And what's that character's name? Luca? Is that Luca? Luca reminding you to conserve water. Oh, and this room also has a view of the pool complex. Finding Nemo themed. It's cute. Kept the standard rectangle pool design. And over there, which I will go down later, is the little lounge area, which is so nice. That used to just be open with nothing back when this was the Paradise Pier Hotel. Keep going, guys, don't stop. Oh yeah. So down here behind Pixar Place Hotel, this is on the pool deck. There's some really nice outdoor seating areas. Got some covered seating over there. There's more tables back there. This is a pool bar / small bites area. It's not open yet. Apparently it's gonna open in March. We've got these little fire pits over here with some Pixar characters. With the volcano and Anger. I think that's supposed to be Jack Jack. And then over here, there's some games like shuffleboard and a really cute one called Bow Toss. So yeah, a little shuffleboard going on over here. Okay, I just had to come in the fitness room real quick because that artwork is really nice. One of the best things about staying at the Pixar Place Hotel is that you get your own exclusive entrance into Disney California Adventure. And it takes you back into the Paradise Gardens area of the park. It's a nice little shaded walkway right under the DVC wing of the Grand Californian. There it is right there. Takes you right back to the left side of Little Mermaid and near Corn Dog Castle. So you are still paying a premium to stay on Disneyland Resort property. And you're farther from the parks in this hotel than you are on many of the cheaper hotels on Harbor Boulevard, which can be found for as low as $90 a night on certain nights. This room was $438. This is a Tuesday. I know it's the grand opening and everything, but that's even on the cheaper side from this. This still will get more expensive than this during busier times of year. But that's a lot of money. But it is a nice room and it's functional. Disney did not pay us or sponsor us for this content, so we are giving you our honest thoughts. I just wanted to let you know what you're paying for, and for the proximity to the parks, you can get cheaper prices. But this is a very nice room, really great upgrade in every aspect. Not even just the rooms, the lobby, the pool complex, the dining, and everything. Great upgrade. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.